is Troy Martin with Cook Martin Poulsen, and I'm here with Joe Beck, and we're here to talk to you today about cost segregation studies. Here at Cook Martin Poulsen, we have partnered with Joe to offer to our clients the service of preparing a cost segregation study for real estate that they purchase. A cost segregation study allows a client to, or taxpayer, to take their building costs and componentize that cost down to two different components. For example, it might be floor, lighting, electrical wiring, and those type of things, and it allows the taxpayer to depreciate the building much faster than its normal depreciable life. For commercial real property, the normal depreciation life is 39 years. For residential rental property, i.e. apartment buildings, where people live in, it's 27 and a half years. And so by componentizing the costs into smaller buckets, depreciable buckets, we're able to, instead of writing off with those longer lives, write off assets over a period of 5, 7, 15, or 20 years. And so we have partnered with Joe Beck to provide the technical side, where he is able to come into the building and take his knowledge in the architectural field and construction field to break up these components. So we've asked Joe here today to explain how he performs his portion of the study. Joe.
Thank you, Troy. The tax laws require that cost segregation studies be performed by a licensed professional with knowledge in estimating, auditing, building construction, and construction documents. I'm a licensed architect, and I feel that I make a quality part of this team with Troy's tax knowledge and his firm to back that up, and with my knowledge of buildings and understanding how buildings are put together and all the components that are involved in the buildings. It makes for a natural fit for the two of us to work together and provide the best service for you. The process is quite interesting, and it works very closely with you as the building owner, understanding what you may have for existing documents, existing building cost information. We'll make physical visits to your property, have the best understanding of the uses and needs of your building, so we can provide you the best benefits that are available within your property. We work really well together, and we have a good time doing it.
So with the takeoff sheets that Joe provides to us and the different costing components, and we apply tax law through court cases, revenue rulings, and treasury regulations that have been issued by the service. And we take these specific cases and apply it to very specific circumstances for the different types of buildings that we perform the studies on, and then we're able to classify these componentized portions of the property down to the lower depreciable lives, thus saving the taxpayer significant amount of taxes. So if you can imagine taking possibly 20% of your building, and instead of writing that 20% of your building off over 39 years, but possibly writing off over 5, that can be a very significant tax savings. And here at Cook Martin Poulsen, we've developed a tool that is on our website, which can help taxpayers estimate the benefits and the tax savings of cost segregation study. And so we'll demonstrate that tool right now. Here we are at the Google homepage. The Cook Martin website is www.cookmartin.com. You can find the cost segregation calculator under the resource page. It's at the very top of the list under tools. Once the cost segregation calculator is up, you can pick what type of building. Let's go ahead and pick medical offices. Let's show for 2009 on the year purchased. When you move between the screens, go ahead and just use tab. The building cost, we'll put it $1,500,000 with a 40% federal and state tax rate. Once you click the calculation button, it will come up and show you the cost, the type, and the bracket. The catch-up depreciation allows you to catch up the depreciation all in 1 year that you should have been able to claim over the building's life up to that point by performing a cost segregation study. And under the cash savings column, it will show you a net present value of the amount of money that's saved going forward for the cost segregation study. And that's how you use the calculator. We hope that you found the cost segregation calculator useful. And if you have any additional questions, please contact us at any of our office locations in Logan or Salt Lake City. Thank you.